Want to make this elegant black and white beaded ring? Follow along for a simple step-by-step tutorial. Materials needed: black seed beads, white seed beads. Start by taking a length of nylon thread and adding 2 black beads to it. Next, add 1 white bead and cross both threads through it, pulling the thread tight to secure the beads in place. On one side of the thread, add 2 white beads. Then, take 1 black bead and cross both threads through it, pulling them to tighten the structure. Continue alternating between the 2 patterns. Adding 2 black beads followed by 1 white bead, crossing the thread. Then adding 2 white beads followed by 1 black bead, crossing the thread. Repeat this process until you reach the desired ring size that fits your finger comfortably. Once the ring reaches the correct size, join both ends together by threading the final beads through the first bead loop to form a complete circle. If using nylon thread, you can apply a tiny drop of clear nail polish or glue to reinforce the knot. Carefully trim any excess thread with scissors. Your handmade black and white beaded ring is ready to wear. This elegant design is perfect for everyday wear or as a thoughtful handmade gift. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more handmade jewelry ideas. Try experimenting with different bead colors and patterns to create a ring that's uniquely yours. If you love this design but don't have the time or tools to create it, you can purchase it directly from my Instagram shop or website. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more jewelry making tutorials. Let me know in the comments what kinds of designs you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.